Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mawaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Sinde can out me video. Remember ring to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me a notification bell. Send me the video. Be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Anyway, so let's say peanut butter soup. Yes, start. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Ube bread, onion, garlic, pepper, ginger, anise. We are not the good meat no ho. What the chop onion aka ho. All pepper season. Beef season. Season cube. Now the enso kakra egumu. One mixing it together. Now the kwesi jaso amanesima. Wo ho a no wa check no wanum se ni nyina ebe steam yi. With the peanut butter, egu saucepan, not paste. Now the tomato paste and now tomato puree. With the egum, with the sugar cry the egum, now I hono. One way no, not the cosi jar so. Now I got any soon as it and be a woman said they are said and she. I am ready now the swear the egum. Now I hono. No I push you go unam so. Aha no ohwe na enam na ye ready now dey. Peanut butter no wehwe de egum. Wudi enso de aka mba enso ni jan enkwadodo a oye. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Uwo enkruma ne pepper na de gum na da garnish no. Na wagya no esiga nso kusita ma eden ebeben. Batem bia wo ho anu wa check eden ahwe. Aha no akakra na abien kra. Mepma chose ne dika a wohwe me video a. Mema rain to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No me notification bell no. Say me the video bia beto a won sabeka. Aha I am ready. Na wa twe na wa serve. Wunya wo mutu a obetimi de aka ho di anase fufuo. Ana adwane bia pese odi no obetimi de edi. Me ye wie na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our peanut butter soup. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.